so bright. Together we start with delight. Bananas and berries, breakfast so sweet. Giggles and crumbs when we eat. Since we were tiny, we've always shared. Every bite shows how we care. Butterflies dancing, toys in the grass. We chase them together and laugh. Splashing in water, the droplets shine. Your trunk in my hand, always mine. We doodle with colors, we sketch and we draw. Then nap under trees, so in awe. I rest on your tummy, you hold me so tight. Dreaming together feels right. We run to the hilltop, fruits in our hands, watching the sunset paint lands.